Okay guys, hello, welcome back. Today we're going to be making this super easy double 3x4 accordion mini album. And this is what it looks like. Super cute and easy. And I hope you stay tuned. Let's get started. Woo, woo. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be creating a double mini accordion mini album, and this is what we have right here, and you can decorate it however you prefer, but this inside this is your accordion. So this is the accordion, and that's the cover, the inside cover. And here's in another accordion mini album, and this is the inside cover. So we're going to be creating two accordion mini albums, two of this, two of the covers, and one outer cover to store them all. Super easy. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing is we're going to get two sheets. I want us to gather all our supplies. So you're going to need two sheets of 12 by 12 paper. I'm going to move you a little bit higher. So you're going to need two sheets of 12 by 12, and that's going to be your accordion mini albums. That is how you're going to create that. You're also going to be needing, so this is the 12 by 12. You're also going to be needing a 4.5 by 12 inch paper for the inside cover. You're going to need two of that. And then for the outer cover, you're going to need 10 3/4 by 4 3/4 sheet of paper. So let's gather our ingredients and let's get started. So this is the 12 by 12 we have. Let's get a 4.5 by 12 sheet of paper, and let me cut that up so that we have it here. So we need 4.5 by 12 right there, and another 4.5 by 12. And if you are watching from the retreat from 3 Craft Chicks, you are going to have different papers that is in your kit. Next, you're going to need an outer cover, which is 4 3/4 by 10 3/4. So 4 3/4 by 10 3/4, and that's your outer cover. Perfect. Now we're going to start scoring, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do our accordion mini album. So that's the first thing, and you're going to do it twice. I'm going to show you how to do it. It is super easy. So I have my scoring tool right here, scoreboard I mean, and I have my scoring tool. So we're going to score it at 3, 6, and 9. So let's score that right now. At 3 inches, at 6 inches, and at 9 inches. Super easy. Okay? And then you're going to turn it counterclockwise, and then you're going to score it at 4, and you're going to score that at 8. Just like that. And then you're going to fold, and you're going to burnish. You burnish with your bone folder, and you're going to fold it accordion style, like that. Okay, right there. And then you're going to fold here, and you're going to fold here. Okay, so as you can see, you have all of your areas covered. This is your 3, 6, and 9 inch score mark, and this is your 4 and 8. What you're going to do is you're going to cut from here up to here, which is the last score mark. Okay, so we're going to cut from here to here, and we're going to cut from here to the first score mark. It's like, let me show you how it will look like. So I'm going to cut it, and you're going to do this twice because you have 2 accordion mini albums, and you're going to follow the score marks that you created, just like that. And then you're going to turn it, okay, and you're going to score, do the same thing on the other side. And this is inspired by this accordion mini album is inspired by Paige Evans. Okay, so now that you have that, it's like right there, and now you have that, and then you fold it. Follow the folds that you created. Then this one goes down, and then this, you follow your folds right there, and right there. So this is your accordion mini album, and you're going to do that twice. So I'm going to do the second one offline. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to create your inside cover. And for the inside cover, you're going to need a 4.5 by 12 inch paper, okay? And you're going to score it on the inside. For example, if this is what you want for your inside cover, then you're going to score here, okay? So I scored on the inside, which means that the print, this is the print that you want on the inside, this is where you're going to score. So since I want this as the outside, I'm going to turn it, and I'm going to score here because this is what I want on the inside. And so let's score it. This is a 4.5 by 12. You're going to score it at 2 1/4. You're going to score it at 5.5. You're going to score it at 6. You're going to score it at 9 1/4. Okay, and then you're going to score it at 9 3/4. Okay, and then you're going to fold and burnish your score marks right there. You're just going to fold them. I like using my bone folder because it creates sharper corners. I do like that. So I'm just following the score marks that I created. So again, don't forget that whichever side you chose, that's going to be the inside. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. So when you put your accordion mini album, you're going to insert it right here. When you put it, it's going to fold just like this. Super, super easy to go. And then you're going to do this 2 times. So the next part is we're going to create your outer cover. Okay, for the outer cover, this is a 10 3/4 by 4 3/4 sheet of paper. So you're going to score it at 2. You're going to score it at 3. You're going to score it at 6 3/8. 1, 2, 3. And you're going to score it at 7 3/8. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is what it looks like right here for you. And this is what it is essentially right here. And this one, please notice that you're scoring on the outside. This is what it's going to look like. Instead of the inside, you're scoring on the outside. So whatever print you want, you're gonna score on the outside portion. Okay, so if you burnish it like this, I'm just burnishing it, meaning I'm folding it with like really sharp corners. This is what it's going to look like on the outside, and it's going to house the 2 accordion mini albums right here, and the other one on this side. So let's make the other one. So just a recap, I've already scored it at 3, 6, 9, counterclockwise turning, scored at 4, and scored at 8. Okay, super easy. And then we're going to cut it. We're going to cut it, and let me see. Let me show you. This is just a recap because we're making the second one, okay? There. And then you're going to turn it and you're going to score it. Just like that. And then you follow your accordion fold right there. Initially, it's going to be confusing, but I'm here to guide you, no problem. So this is our accordion mini album for the second one. And then for the outer cover, again, we're going to do the same exact thing. If you want this one as your inside cover, you're going to score there. So this is what I want for my inside cover. So I'm going to score here, and we're going to start at 2 1/4, same as before. 2 1/4, 5 1/2, 6, 9 1/4, and 9 3/4. Like that. You're going to get your bone folder and score away. So I'm going to score this offline, and then I'm going to come back and show you our finished product. So let's look at your mini accordion album right here. It looks like this. So what's going to happen is you can either like keep it like this, where you can do a flip, which is very interactive, or you can put double-sided tape right here to make a pocket. I like it being interactive like this, and so I'm going to keep it. But there's also an option for you if you want to create pockets. The next part is we're going to use 1/8 double-sided tape, or you can use glue so that we can close this one. I'm going to close it because that's where I'm going to be inserting my accordion mini album. Just like that, and you attach it to here. Okay, it's going to look like this. Like you're inserting it right here, and then you close it just like that. So you're going to do the same for this other one right here. Since this is like 110-pound cardstock, it unravels really quickly. So I'm just putting double-sided tape, or you can use glue. This is 1/8 double-sided tape. Okay, and essentially you're making a pocket. Super easy. Just like that. Just like that. And then you insert your accordion mini album inside. Just like that. And then you close it. And now we have 2 right there. The next thing we're going to do before you attach your mini accordion to the base, I'm going to add this one just as a decorative piece, and you can create whatever you prefer on here. But just in case you want to know the measurement, this measures 3 1/4 by 4 5/8. 3 1/4 by 4 5/8, and this is 4 5/8 in height and 1 5/8 in width. So I'm going to do that just so I have my decorative element for the front of the book. Just like that. If you like the measurements, you can do whatever measurement you want. If you want a bigger border, that is absolutely up to you. But this is how I'm decorating mine. Super easy. I like using the Barely Art glue because it dries perfect at the right time for me. It's not super quick and it doesn't take long either. So now that we're done, this is what it's going to look like. What I did for the prototype is I added some stickers and some some sentiments on here. I thought that was super cute, so that's what I'm planning on doing as well. So now we're going to attach our mini album. All you need to do is put glue right here and attach it to here. Right there. And then you attach it right there. Okay. Just like that. You can add magnet if you wanted to. I'm okay with this very organic mini album. And then you do the exact same thing for the right side. Make sure that you are like the distance from the top edge is kind of the same for both albums. It's not a big deal if it isn't, but if you can, I would do that. Right there. And it is done. Super easy, you guys. You can definitely make this at home. And if you're coming from 3 Craft Chicks retreat, this is what we're going to be doing on our class. I think it was rescheduled to Saturday. I am excited to hang out with you guys on Saturday. So this is what we're going to be creating. And this is super easy, you guys. What I did on here is I decorated it with some cut-aparts, some sentiments from the sticker collection, some tags. I love the sticker book. And look, I just added some stickers, more stickers, because the blank pages, I have intentions of putting pictures on there. These are some flips right there to reveal a photo or a sentiment. It's up to you. Here's some like pattern paper right there, like stickers plus like sentiment stickers right there. It's just flips right there. Super easy. It's pretty much using your scraps. And for this one, I created a pocket right there. This one is also a pocket. This one is supposed to be a pocket, and I was supposed to put the tag in there. So for my tags, I added it on the inside. And then I just insert this right here. Super easy. Close it, close, and done. So this is the sample project for you. This is the prototype, and this is what we made together, but I didn't decorate it just yet. I wanted to show you how to make it so you can decorate it yourself. Anyway, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed this super easy double mini accordion tutorial. Take care, you guys. Stay safe. And this is Christian signing off. Have a wonderful crafty day. Bye, guys.